Yeah. Lalabas kami.
Is the snow actually stick together pretty good? Because sometimes it's just powder and it's just sticky, sometimes it's...
Well, it looks like it's powdery.
Yes.
I made a snow angel.
You did.
I can't even make a snowball. It's gonna be sweating.
Oh, well, with my jacket on.
Look at that.
You like it?
That is very huge. Hi, Ebates.
It snowed yesterday and the other night too. So look at that.
Hi, Mommy.
Yay! I'm letting the kids outside so they can play.
Yum.
Are you cold?
Yummy snow.
Why you don't eat that? Welcome to our first vlog. Ooh.
Okay. Hi, Mommy.
Oh, that's so deep.
Thank you, son.
Whee! Hang on. First vlog this year. Oh my gosh. You got ice all over you now. Are you done? What happened to your snow globes?
Right here.
Where? Can you grab them? She took them off. Can you go grab them? Oh my gosh.
I'm freezing.
That's right. Put them in your pocket. Right here, inside your pocket. You want to go inside now? You want to go inside?
My sock is wet.
Can you find baby snow globes? Okay, lunchtime. We have leftover adobo right here. Samantha wants leftover adobo. And rice. Rice and leftover adobo. You can have chicken nuggets, ate. Yeah? Okay. Chicken nuggets. Yeah, this is Sophia's favorite chicken nuggets. Right here. Right here. Samantha wants to eat rice with adobo sauce. And then Sophia wants chicken nuggets. And then I'll give them some yogurt on the side. Yummy? Okay. Look at the snow. Lots of snow.
Ice layer on top.
Wow, that's really thick. Some people shovel the streets, the road.
What's that?
They shoveled there, right? We can see the road now. The street.
Trucks go by
Ah.
with their plows on the front of their trucks and they scrape everything off.
Oh, I see.
Unfortunately, we have a big chunk of ice right there. And there's ice on the road too, right now. I don't know how late we can leave, but the more time
I know. That's a lot to shovel.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm throwing it over on the grass here.
Emmy, shovel some more? You gonna go get donuts?
Look, look, it's you.
Is it fun? I like this coat. I think I'm keeping it.
I like it too, the coat.
Yeah. It's Marmot. Yeah, usually it's expensive. Like around $200.
I did it.
Yay! It's warm. I mean, it's not too warm, but I'm not cold.
It's not bulky like this.
It's not
one.
bulky.
This one, yeah, which is nice.
Mm-hmm. Sammy, what happened?
I did it.
You did it! Yay! This is our first winter in Arkansas.
Yeah,
How are you liking it so far, hon? First winter in Arkansas?
kind of reminds me of Illinois, but it's not as bad.
Yeah.
In Illinois, it snows like this, and then it stays like that for like 2 months.
I
It's
don't
just
really
snow
like it.
and slush all the time. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's nice to see the snow, but I don't really like that. It's too cold.
It's not as bad as things I've seen, but it's not as nice as Las Vegas. I was looking
Yeah.
at temperatures in Las Vegas.
70 degrees in Las Vegas
Yeah,
right
70
now.
Vegas, 40 degrees
Yeah.
at night. And
Let's
here's
go.
Like 12 degrees at
Yeah.
night and 32.
Let's go back to Las Vegas.
Definitely colder.
Hey, Daddy needs to finish.
Look at my shoe. Daddy, what they're doing is
Ooh, it's not that bad. But I guess if you have to do this every winter, it might get tiring, huh? Yeah,
Alright, one more time.
one more time.
More photo ops here.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. We just shoveled all the snow outside in our driveway. It is our first snow here in Arkansas. Well, snowstorm that we actually have this much snow. Hindi pa kami nagkaroon ng experience dito sa Arkansas na may ganito karaming snow. We've never had this experience before. We just had a little bit of snow and then it will melt the next day. And yeah, until a few days ago. And snowed, I think, overnight. And then after that, the next morning and next day, it was snowing all day as well. Right now, we really have to shovel the snow off our driveway because we're thinking of, or we're planning of dropping off my sales. And then also going to get some donuts. Sorry, I'm like panting because I just had to help Nick. It's too much work for one person. I got your apple, Sammy. Samantha wants an apple. But yeah, Samantha really wants to go get donuts, so we're gonna go to Krispy Kreme to get donut for the kids, and also we need to go grab a few groceries, probably like apple, bananas, and some fruits. Here you go, Sammy. And Samantha really enjoyed playing outside, stepping on the snow and all that, and she really was having a blast there. So, ayan. So we're gonna go get donuts and a few groceries today. Probably just a little bit of fruits, and then I was thinking just ordering groceries for delivery for tomorrow, and that way we don't have to stay outside for a long time because it's still too cold. So ayan, this is our first experience of a winter storm or snowstorm here in Arkansas since we moved in. So far, I mean, I think we did pretty good as far as being prepared. We have foods in our freezer. Also, we have enough food in the pantry that will probably last us a week. And we actually have the snow shovel when we went back to my in-laws' mobile house where we used to live. We actually have the snow shovel there. Good thing we brought it back last time we were there because we weren't expecting the snowstorm. So good thing we brought it back here. My mother, and thanks to my mother-in-law for reminding us. So yeah, credit to her on that one. Thanks, Daddy. Nick is about to drop off my packages. Thank you. He's back. Was it busy?
Yeah, I had the drop box was full, so I had to wait in line and drop it off to somebody.
Okay. All right. Sanitize.
So it was a little bit busy.
They should.
Yeah, I see somebody in there.
Crispy.
For yelling, we'll be running around.
You need me? Careful. Okay. All right. Let me grab Samantha here. Careful. All right. Yay. Hold daddy. Hold daddy. Yeah. Wet and slippery. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Yeah, we already have the Valentine's Day donuts. Which one do you want, Sammy? Yeah. Wow. You want the heart shape? Okay. You want that one too?
Heart.
This one? Okay. Alright, hang on, one at a time, sorry. Alright, you go pick which one do you want? The hard one? This one?
Do you have any of the B mine ones back there? Oh,
Okay. She's like,
if that's possible. Well, one of these is the Valentine's Day one.
yeah.
One of the cookies, cookies cream, batter.
Excited?
There's that Valentine and the B mine thing.
Alright. That's where they're frying them. Oh. Wow. Oh. Hooray. Yeah, come out there. They put sugar. Yeah. They put glaze on it right here. And then goes all the way over there and they pack them, right? Decorate them. Yeah. Over there. Yeah.
The door handles.
Door handle. Push, push. Yeah.
1, 2.
You see that?
Wow.
The white one looks awesome.
Cool. All right. There you go.
The chocolatey one looks amazing too.
I like chocolate, Daddy.
No, you want
Oh my
the chocolate one, I guess. Do you want the chocolate one, this one, Sammy, or do you want that one?
Which one do you want?
I want tart.
That one?
This one.
Yeah, probably.
No, that's small. Half. Half. I love it. Give me the one with the sprinkles.
Alright.
Okay.
This donut
The
tastes
pink
so
thing
good.
inside.
Oh, wow.